Memo akwaba deba GCN page so midi ede adwoa searching. Misrel subscribe to my channel. Fa mi abel no so ubenya notification. Ense me koso ha bia ubenya bi eti anase ubenya bi ahwe. Lawyer Morris Ampao ena okase. Na Lawyer Morris Ampao do boni dia obi anim no because aseme be koso wo Ghana ha no bia ne ho ebom anase okebi. Enti obia enim no Ghana ha no sei na ode ensem bi atodwa. Nsɛm a ɔka na ne sɛ ɛyɛ Owura Roxin Nelson a ɔyɛ NDC ni MP ɛwɔ South Dehi. Nsɛm bi a ɔde atodwa a ɔka sɛ ɛyɛ ɔmanpani dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ɛbɛyɛ anka court case nsɛnsɛm yi on withdraw na ɔnkɔtena efie asomdwi mu no. Lawyer Morris Ampao ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔmanpani dada John Dramani Mahama sɛ ɛyɛ ade a otie Owura Roxin na nka beboa ne papa na enna lawyer kyerɛ sɛ Owura Roxin Nelson a ɔyɛ NDC ni no ɔyɛ lawyer nso ɛka ho na ɔyɛ nadamfo paa onim ne yie paa enti ne sɛ ɔka sɛ ɔmanpani dada withdraw ne case na he knows what he is talking about because Owura Roxin ɛyɛ obi a ɔka no kware ɔna aka sɛ onim pote sɛ NDC fo mu case no ɔmo de kokɔt no enya de ombenwi omo ni proof bia omo ni witness bia omo ni injustice bia omo witness ombo mo nkaze bia so omo ni bi NDC case de atonzu ayedai enti ena wakotro ede ato ne Twitter page say be ya command pani dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama on withdraw case no na owie ena offend say sorry Owura Roxin ede ninsem etodwa no osanso eka se eye clear se NDC fo no omo ankasa omo in danger e wa oman yetimi mu enya de Ghana fo epom asem efom ho into omanpenda do on withdraw case ni din no betra se nya member ne mbepa na Owura Morris na ekire se asama Owura Roxin Nelson na eka no enye se bia Ghana fo NDC for asem na say court no person beka bia ma NDC fo oni importe so omo case no omo entumi wini enti na omo hyeda apa eye public sympathy say na be ya Ghana fo ebeka say oh judges no omo hyeda buagu NDC fo no so Owura Roxin eni importe say aba no enya de omo benwini enti na wa hyeda de ensem wey akwakoto ne Twitter page no say na be ya Ghana fo benya sympathy bi e de amomo but so ka say o mampani dada withdraw case na no kwai pefe no kwai pa na o ka kire no enti nke be ya o mampani dada enti na enti ensem a Owura Morrison e de etuya
to crowd ya ma say case na be ya look omun twaso omun dwai omun ni akire biom ni na ka ho ono na futu a wode ma no na working sanity ma ho
minia lawyer no madafo na onim say wonu kware nim no wa study hu say petition mo de call ni na so e no mu tumi prove am case no e ya to so mu enti no instead of between ya no akwawi ye na ya ko ka che o se woni kuku no e de mo dia na twe case no ko a good advice because you see uku na hu so be di kuku a enye obe na be ka kire wo enti no lawyer no your lawyer be very prominent and one of the lawyers for NDC. What petition was there? The petition was poorly drafted. The prosecution was poorly done. The strategy is failing. Everything is pointing to one thing. And who your lawyer now who say I didn't know and no bad advice. So you be that. To be a case, what we say, it's better to go and settle than to continue the trial. Because the told me, na case now you say a case no, they be a corner because one, witnesses no, I'm near that papa. If so, I'm wow. It won't train no you was here. Who finally notice of this continuer? What's everyone? What do I say? Hey, what's everyone? It is things that the lawyer or catch up so advice someone is based on what he have seen in the petition and the way it was prosecuted. It's a good advice.
But senior OCH me nim says and I'm asking this because we share I said Nasem now of Troy in two parts because there's a part I said and listen to this or say the NDC is clearly endangered in this country. justices emanate from the people. Article 125.1. It creates impression. Say, look, and yeah, we are getting fair trial now. Bibisa.
Mami Chobi, that guy is a politician. And you know, all my legal advice on the politics of him. He's a politician. And you see, what he did was that technically no, and legally no, when we so many cases. But then, if you are drawing now, I show your supporters or something. If you was here, he spoke as a lawyer and then later spoke as a politician. So that support base will be saying, oh, you are court carrying negligence. But who himself you are feeling. And you know, I look at it in two parts. The reason why he want them to withdraw, all to the catcher will say, oh, our case is bad. And the man is going to say, hey, so the man say, hey, the moon himself case is bad, I'm going to go court. You see, they are looking at the agenda 2024. So everything that you are doing, you know, create an impression. Maybe they do the tattoo is creating an impression. Say they went to court and the court is protecting the Mensa, and it is good for political campaign message. But then legally they are more. And the guy spoke as a lawyer and later on demonstrated to say he is now putting on the political lens. It is not making that final statement wrong.
Yadasi anope nyamisha papa the ramp up. Morris Sampa mranim ni anope ni 100.9 Ghana munti ejumedi esunu asogwe. So election petition na a course so eno bi and our boy ye ne di ho
say minim say and you fan kokko. Now what about who experienced lawyer? And I said this guy who experienced lawyer. Better to you know. You give a part of your money. And the experienced lawyer will say, tell the Serbia, say. But what about if Omunima? If you get a tattoo, make a tell me say, more happy. But every good lawyer, what you do is that, okay, c'est bar. Ube divide the team into two. But Ube say, opponent lawyers, no. Then they argue against your case. And you trade you, that's why we do. And you know, who chambers nana case tabano. Ube divide the lawyers into two. But Ube, they will say, oh yeah, and another any electoral commission lawyer. Now, Bakusa, you say, oh yeah, now would you see any woman at chambers? And you now, what for another? Any easy, as if Omo represents all the possibility of argument, defense argument. Baba, now when you rehearse that, so that is why I watch out. What's the Otrenia? Then Omoye. What's the Bia Otreni? Now Okokwa. Offer Obia, the party partner, no, offer Obia, or Okute, the only Kokono, the Ba. We say, what's the Bia Okwa? So, for example, that's somebody says, we are boxer. Who train you, or fighting like a somebody else. Now, did that say me, what would you? Tell me, now, as somebody say, or you giddy, or knockout, what will be a sister? That's what we do. The same way with football. Opponent, who show the clip? I was studying the clip. Now, what about the formation? As information. And as a good lawyer, as a to claim to be, I'm expecting that to say, let's assume, say, the legal team, your team, Baku, and think it's a good offer. Baku think it's easy lawyer. Now, almost argument when we be the account, yes, that I won't say. There's a possibility of either they will say they will not testify. So then what will be your attitude before you close your case? You fail to do that. And for anybody beat you and we are from say, yay! It's not anything. And it's all be a strategy. There will never be a strategy. And you put your eyes dummy. Put your own people so what trap you. No trap you, what trap you. Not trap you when you say, meaning so but to say, yes, and I look. And then it's I have grown the deal of court, but a legal contest. And the legal contest, when you go with a strategy and your strategy is failure, you don't tell us to say, oh, a strategy a failure, but you don't do that. And the tattoo should have known better. Say, everybody who is a defense counsel have two options. Either he can decide to testify after examination or he will not. So what strategy were you having? What did you have? For in case or can say, or that testifier, how do you counter it? And what about okay, say how much testify? I say my yes, I can close your case. I can immediately who you with no. my lord, you have finished with Nunu, but
experienced strong civil war because of politics. And a whole general secretary of a party, you did not quote Jina Akoyanim, you did not quote Jina Dakam. Say, okay, no more some winning. They create Busan say, yet is some winning election, and a electoral commission Friday at Chinchimunsa. I am no correct. You will say, I see a dunketia, or can't wait, no, I can't wait, or can't wait, no, I can't wait, or can't wait, no, a dear bad in NDC by your party be looking more attractive. Because I know the only reliable opposition party, the strongest reliable opposition party. Because there is no way we can hate NDC party. Because anyone more, not say MP before no kwana teswa, ebukwa autonomy. What I say, na kwa say, NDC